Hello friends, welcome to my channel GSM Solution. If you want to learn more and new things about mobile software, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Today I am public iPhone 6's iCloud bypass iOS 13.5.5 on Mac. Open Mac. Now open Checker 1 and reboot your Apple device recovery mode. Click Start tab to jailbreak your Apple device. Your Apple device jailbreak task done. Open iCloud bypass tool and input number 2, then continue 0. iPhone 6's iCloud bypass iOS 13.5.5 on Mac complied. Thanks for watching my video. Please support me, like, share and subscribe my channel.